Good evening. This is Azhar Khan from Metro News Updates. As we all know that Telangana State Election Commission has announced the date of election, and Metro News Updates covering all the divisions, and we are asking related to development and issues to the candidates. Today we are with Neha Shri. She is contesting from 37th Division. Madam, welcome to Metro News Updates. First of all, tell me about your qualification and your background to our viewers.
Hi everyone. I'm Neha Sri. I'm daughter of MP Venkatesh, senior advocate. And coming to my qualification, I've done my SSC from Little Scholar School from Mahbub Nagar itself. So I've got 9.7 grade, which is state third grade. And I've done my plus 2, which is intermediate from Pratibha Junior College, which is also in Mahbub Nagar. I've got 984 marks, which is state 8th mark. And I've done my BTech from Jayaprakash Narayan College of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering. And I'm gold medalist in my BTech. And after my BTech, I've done my MTech from Data Sciences from JNTU University, Kukatpalli. So I'm university topper in my MTech. After MTech, I've done my LLB. So that is my qualification.
Okay. Where you have done LLB?
LLB I've done from PMR Law College, which is in Hyderabad.
Okay. So, being an advocate, how you got thought to enter into politics?
So, some of my biggest inspirations to get into politics are like I've been watching Revanth Reddy since my childhood. Like he's our beloved CM and he's very dynamic, energetic, like he's go-getter. What he wants to do, he just does it. Like his step-by-step vision in politics and his people-serving nature, these all have inspired me. And also our beloved MLA Garu, Yannam Srinivas Reddy Garu, his simplicity, his thought process, and he's very educated as well. His thought process in serving people, these all things have inspired me in entering into politics. And also my father is also one of the reason for me to enter into politics. Under his guidance and his support, today I'm contesting as a corporator from 37th Division.
From which party you are going to contest?
Congress Party.
Congress Party.
Yes.
So tell me how you will develop if you won from this division. What are the major issues are there in your division, and how you will try to solve the issues?
Like I've been roaming around all the ward and getting to know the problems of the people. So majority of the problems were mainly road issues and water issues, and drainage system is very worst. And also some of the people are not getting pensions and Indira Mailu. So these are the major problems which I'll be focusing on if I win. And the roads, they are clearly, evidently visible that they are not in proper condition. And also drainage system, it is also clearly evident and visible. So these will be the main areas which I'll be focusing if I win.
How is your election campaigning going on, or how you will getting the response from the public?
Yeah, we are getting a very positive response from the public. As since 2 years, we are doing very great job. Our party is doing very great job, which the previous party haven't done in 10 years. We have just done in 2 years. So we are getting a very positive response from public everywhere. So we are sure that we'll definitely win. Let's see.
As you said that the drainage system is not good in this division. If you won from this division, how you will develop the drainage system?
So our beloved CM have given 624 crores for underground drainage system. So with the help of CM and under his guidance and under the guidance of our beloved MLA, we'll do all the underground drainage system work, and we'll make sure that each and every road has the proper drainage system and proper roads are being made.
Okay, tell me about sanitation, how you will improve sanitation in your area. Like the garbages we have seen in the roads, how you will try to improve this sanitation?
Yeah, we have got lot of funds from our party. So with the help of those funds, we'll make sure that every road is properly sanitized, every nook and corner is properly sanitized, and we'll make sure that each and every rupee is spent only on the welfare and on the ward development only.
After Congress party winning in the state, they came to know that we all came to know that 6 guarantees they have made, and there are many schemes we have seen. How you are trying to provide the schemes to the people?
Actually, a lot of people are already using those schemes. Like we can see the free bus, which is for ladies.
Yeah,
Even I have traveled with my Aadhaar card in the free bus.
pretty much.
Yeah, and also for 500 rupees we are getting cylinder.
Yeah.
So that is also, it is accessible to everyone.
Mm.
And also we have many schemes for farmers
Mm.
and many schemes for youth. Like we are giving subsidy loans
Yeah.
for young people who are not
Yeah.
with jobs. It is accessible to everyone who are having problems. We'll try to solve that. It is not like they are not getting any facilities.
Yeah.
We'll see that if there is any problem, everybody will get that.
Coming to the education, how you will improve education in your division? Like there are many schools are also there. So how you will promote them in the education?
Yeah, actually, this is very important question. Our beloved Chief Minister, he has given like around 22,000 crores for education, and also our MLA, beloved MLA, has also made sure that our Mehboob Nagar will be an education hub. And also, we have recently got the Triple IT
Yeah.
and also a law college and engineering college.
Yeah.
So these are all examples that our Congress party is mainly focusing on education, because education is the key. Because today's citizens, they are mostly uneducated, they are deprived of good education. So our party is making sure that each and every person is educated
Mm.
and they should be getting proper education. And with that regard, the funds which are given for education side will make sure that many schools
Mm.
will be planted and each and every person will be getting proper education.
So there are many senior citizens in your division. What you will do for them? If you will,
Senior citizens, yeah, actually some of them are getting pensions. Some of them have told that there is some problem for them in getting pensions. So I'll make sure that everybody gets the pension and all the benefits which our party is providing. I'm noting down all the problems which each and every person in our ward is telling.
Yeah.
So after winning, I'll go to each of them person to person and I'll make sure that their problem is solved.
Okay. What you will do for women empowerment, like skill development centers? What if you will win? Will you provide any skill development center here?
Yeah, sure. Actually, our Congress party has given reservation for women, and it is very great that today almost 50% of seats are reserved for women.
Yeah.
Even our ward, it is general women.
Yeah.
So I'm contesting on the part of general women.
Mm.
So of course, women empowerment is must for any country.
Yeah.
Women have to come forward, do every profession, go to every profession. They should be empowered. We'll take care that every woman gets an opportunity to do every profession, everything, whatever she wants to.
Yeah, madam, we are seeing that there is a no Basti Dawakana or primary health center in this division. So if you will win, will you bring Basti
Yes,
Dawakana?
100%. 100%. Actually, yesterday we had a speech near our area. In that, even I have told that we don't have bus stop, we don't have hospital, we don't have bank, and we don't even have water tank here.
Yeah.
So after winning, I'll make sure that all of these things
Mm.
are constructed here, and all our ward people gets benefited by that. I'll make sure.
Then, madam, we are seeing that this is an export. There is a lot of heavy vehicles will go from here, and recently we have seen that many accidents have been occurred in this road. So how you will develop the roads here, if you want?
Actually, roads are in very pathetic condition here.
Yeah.
It is clearly visible.
Mm.
First thing I'll do is roads and the underground drainage system. These two are the main things that I'll be focusing on once I win.
Mm. Coming to your division, we have seen a lot of potholes here in this main road. Have you ever tried to give a representation to the officials?
As of now, I haven't tried giving any representation to officials, but once I win, I'll have an authority.
Yeah.
I'll have an authority as a corporator from our ward. So with that authority, I can question each and everyone, and I can make sure that every hole is covered and every road is proper.
If you will win from this division, what is your vision? How you will develop the division?
I'll make sure that every road is proper. I'll make sure that everybody gets proper pension. I'll make sure that everybody who don't have home,
Yeah.
they gets Indirama house. And I'll make sure that all the drainages which are there, they are made underground and proper drainage system is being made.
Yeah.
And also I'll make sure that a bus stop, a bank, a hospital, a veterinary hospital and a water tank, whichever is necessary for people, they should be constructed. I'll make sure.
Mm.
And also whatever people brings to my notice, I'll make sure that each and every problem of theirs is properly understood and solved.
Being an advocate, will you provide legal aid to the people who need?
100%. Actually, to provide legal aid, we should have a seniority of 10 years, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm very new to profession. It has been years.
As your father is a senior advocate,
Yes.
do you take any help from?
Actually, my father does many cases freely
Yeah.
for who are lower sections of society. He does many cases freely. Of course, I'll take inspiration from him and I'll also do the same thing.
Madam, we are seeing that there are many communities in your divisions, like minority peoples also there. Will you speak Hindi language?
Yes, actually, I'm comfortable with Telugu, Hindi and English. I can speak Hindi as well.
Yeah.
मेरे बहुत मुसलमान दोस्तान हैं.
जी.
मेरे स्कूल में, इंटर में, बीटेक में, एमटेक में, एलएलबी में, सब में बहुत मुसलमान दोस्ता है. मैं उन लोगों से अब भी आज भी कांटेक्ट में हूँ. मुझे हिंदी आती है, मैं अच्छी तरीके से बात कर सकती हूँ. इधर उधर कुछ का फर्क रहता, मगर आई कैन स्पीक हिंदी वेरी नाइसली.
If your voters want to meet you, how they will meet? Like you will put any public grievance up, or you will create any WhatsApp group? How they should tell you what issues they are facing?
Actually, this is after winning, right?
Yeah.
After winning, I've thought of creating an official email ID
Yeah.
where people can email me all the problems which
Yeah.
they are facing. And I personally will be having access to that specific email ID.
Yeah.
So on the daily basis, I'll spend 1 hour for that email ID and I'll be reading all the emails. There are some people who don't know how to use emails. For them, a WhatsApp group will be created for our specific ward. So in that, if they are having any problems, they can just explain those problems and I'll look at that group as well. This was my vision if after I win.
Okay. So you are new to politics, sir, and many other party leaders are also contesting from this division. So do you think this election is tough to you?
Because Congress is ruling party and Congress is been doing really very good from 2 years. I don't think it is that tough. But we should not take things in a light way.
Yeah.
We should try our level best. But I don't think so it is very tough. But having said that, we should not take things light. We should work hard.
So your father is also helping you in this election campaign.
Yes, of course.
How the response is there?
Yeah, actually, he's there in politics from many years.
Yeah.
And I'm very new face to all the people here.
Yeah.
So he is really very important. And under his guidance and support itself, I've entered politics. So I need his blessings in every step. So his presence is really very important.
Lastly, what you want to tell to your voters? Please give a message to them.
Please vote me. I'll do my level best. Young leaders are important for society. So if you choose youngsters, they'll have an authority to question, ask and do everything whatever they want to do. They'll be energetic. So please give vote to the young leaders who are interested to serve people. So I'd like to thank this news channel for taking my interview. Thank you. Please vote for Congress and make me win.
Thank you. Thank you for talking to us. So this is Neha Shri. She is contesting from 37 division. As we all know that NP Venkatesh is a senior advocate. She is the daughter of NP Venkatesh. So thanks for watching this. Metro News Updates, Mahbub Nagar.